Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my hearts here at Ripon Elementary School in Ripon, California, and it was an incredible day. Got to speak to the TK all the way through 8th graders here at the school and share my hearts in 2 separate assemblies, but the main central message dealt with bullying and seeing someone for their heart first, like you see your best friend, no matter where they're from, no matter how they learn, their skin color, their background, their culture, that we still respect them and show that same empathy that you show your closest people in your life. And like the shirt says here, one race human, that we see everybody as human beings too before anything else. It was a very emotional day too. Had a lot of students that came up to me and were in tears from seeing some of the videos and hearing some of the stories of kids their age all across this country that have been in pain because they got bullied. But what's so incredible and awesome about those stories is that they chose to turn that pain into greatness, that they were hurting, but then they finally chose to become healed people, and now they can go help heal other people by showing them the same kindness that was shown to them, and knowing that we have that power to be that light to so many people's hearts if we understand our worth and our power. And that lies in, right as close as our palms, that line's etched on all of our palms, the M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. But it's a reminder that we need to always think positive, and that we need to always understand that the true difference that we're capable of making in other people's lives. So many kids had the M's traced on their hands today that really took the message to heart, and they're going to keep spreading this. There's already a couple kindness clubs, Mr. Peace clubs that they started here at the school. I got to join one of them, and they're going to really spread this message by how they choose to live, through their actions, through their words, right? That in just 2 seconds we can uplift somebody high as the clouds, or we can bring them down in 2 seconds, and we have that choice. Had a lot of students too that wrote me letters and thank you cards, and here's just one on top that has the M on their hand for a miracle that they traced. But just to know that at a young age that they're already choosing love, choosing kindness, despite having already been through some hurtful moments in their lives, it's just so refreshing and so comforting to me to know that our younger generation is going to step up to the plate. One of the kids said, I heard what you said, and what it meant to me is that we need to be kind for life. And that's what it is. They have the Choose Kind bench, the Buddy bench, the Bully bench here at the school. They have the whole theme of kindness running through the hallways, and that's one thing, but now we start to live it. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Until then, much love. Peace.